Got Porsche Boxster. The alternator pulley is trying to de-alternate itself. It's a big old gap. It took the belt off itself. So I got some parts coming for it tomorrow, and put a new one on there. Damn, fucking electronics. Yep, door's gonna sit open overnight. I already pulled the battery off. I'm not, these windows, when you open and close the door, they go down a little bit and up a little bit. When you take the battery off, they don't do either.